Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 1st of March. The euro dropped to 130.62 versus the US dollar as the American economy goes through sequestration and the Italian political scene still remains blurry. Sequestration will involve across-the-board cuts in the US public sector, which will allow the US to run balanced budgets in the future. At the same time, Ben Bernanke's comments in Congress confirmed the need for continued quantitative easing. The euro lost ground against the sterling. The single currency remains unstable as long as Italian politics continue being fluid. Gold continues its slide, touching 1575 before rebounding to 1580 as investors expect a return to growth within 2013. WTI crude dropped to 91.82 as the energy completes a two-year pennant formation in which it is now has a downward trend. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar rose slightly from 10.35 to 10.80 as investors factor in sequestration effects and option premiums rise. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points are 130.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 130.95. The dollar-yen pivot points at 92.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.40. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.55. The sterling dollar pivot points at 151.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 151.45. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.75. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 92.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 92.55. The gold pivot points at 1592 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1592. The silver pivot points at 28.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 28.80. The US 500 is at 1497 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1497. And the UK 100 is at 6275 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6275. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers in the UK at 9:30 GMT. We have the UK manufacturing PMI expected at 51. In Canada at 13:30 GMT, we have the GDP month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.2%. And in the US at 1500 GMT, we have the ISM manufacturing PMI expected at 52.7. And our interesting pair of the day is the dollar-yen. We saw the US dollar continue to regain lost ground against the Japanese yen. The new Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda seems to have convinced investors on his determination to reverse Japanese deflation. Currently, the pair has support at 91.09 and may look for previous resistance at 94.83. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.